So in this video, you'll learn how to restore deleted photos or videos on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you've accidentally deleted a photo or a video and you want to restore it, this is what you need to do. Start by opening the Gallery app, and then you want to tap on Menu and select Recycle Bin. If your photo or video was deleted within the last 30 days, you should see it listed right here. But if it was deleted after your 30-day period is over, it means that it's been permanently removed from your device. So bear in mind, only those deleted within 30 days will be able to be recovered. And so now when you're ready to restore or to recover the photo or video, tap on Select and choose the image or images that you wish to restore. And then you should see this option, Restore. Select that and wait for them to be restored. Once they've been restored, you just want to go back to the gallery. Under Pictures, you should see the images that you previously deleted by accident have returned back to the gallery, and you can just view them from here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.